So this Black+Decker crock pot has to be my favorite crock pot I've ever owned. I did need a new one because I broke the bowl in my old one. So as you can see, this one has different settings as warm, low, and high. So you can change the setting here with select, and then you can change your time here. You can go up or down. You can turn the timer on here, and then you can start and stop it here. It is a 7-quart crock pot. It holds quite a bit. It is huge. But my favorite part of it, I missed this somehow when I ordered it. I did not realize you could do this. So my favorite part of it is this chalk. And so you can write whatever you're having in it. So like if I'm cooking a roast. So what you want to do first, I've cleaned this since I primed it. So in order to prime it, you just want to kind of rub this chalk on it like this, okay? And then just kind of take your hand like that. And that's going to give it a surface where the chalk can write on it. So then we're going to write, I just broke my chalk. We're going to write roast on it. You're going to do a better job at this than I am though. Roast. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. So I do love that you can kind of decorate it and you can write on it. This is something that the kids could help you with. It's just a fun way to make dinner to me. I love a good crock pot. Easy cleanup, no mess, really. Fabulous product.